Hey guys, in this video we will have a look at this floodlight from Anslut. This is a brand sold by Jula and they are available in Sweden, Finland, Poland, Norway, and maybe some other countries as well. This floodlight has 1000 lumens and it's a 10-watt floodlight. The cost is around 15 euros. You can use it for outdoor use. Has this adjustable PIR sensor, so you can make the light turn on when there is motion and also only when it's dark outside. And it has a plug, so it's easy to plug in. It's 4000 Kelvin. CRI is stated as 80, which is quite good. So let's unbox it and see what the build quality is like. In the package we have the floodlight and there is a small manual booklet. It said on the packaging that it would be hardened glass. Well, I guess it might be. Just considering it might have been plastic, but then again the light might get quite hot, so plastic might melt, so it actually might be glass. Then here on the back we have the timing for how long we want the LED to be on. Then we have sensitivity for, I think that's for the motion, and then lux adjustment is for how dark we want it to be outside before the light turns on. And yeah, there's this adjustable mounting bracket, so you can fix it on a wall or a rail or something like that. Surprisingly, on the package it said 1000 lumen, but here it actually says 1350 lumens is the module, but then total 1000 lumens, so maybe the hardened glass takes some of the brightness out, or not quite sure what that's about. The build quality looks overall quite good. It doesn't look like something which would leak quickly, and yeah, the PIR sensor is adjustable. You can turn it around, and well, yeah, the mounting bracket does allow for also turning it. So yeah, looks pretty standard. Some of the floodlights seem like the build quality is not that good, so yeah, 15 euros. It's not maybe the cheapest option. I think you can get these around 10 euros with a PIR sensor, similar ones, but yeah, build quality of course does vary. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.